There are a number of factors that cause infertility. Some of these are hormonal imbalance, inadequate production of hormones, high prolactin levels, and ovarian syndrome, among others. Poor nutrition is also an instrumental factor. The use of extreme fertility treatment options can work for a number of people. However, they can end up being exhaustive physically and emotionally. The best alternative for most people is the natural way. In seeking natural fertility treatment, Tempe offers a number of options. The first and most important step is nutrition. Nowadays, most people, despite being overweight, are undernourished. Whenever the body lacks the basic foundation that is needed for sustenance of pregnancy, it will not allow conception to occur. Women may resort to diets rich in fiber and low in fat in an attempt to lose weight. Whereas weight loss keeps off infertility, weight loss that is achieved in this manner is hardly effective. It deprives the body of necessary proteins and fats needed for production of hormones. In order to achieve optimization of fertility through nutrition, there are certain foods that have to be avoided. Grains, sugars, starch, and processed foods fall in this category. As much as possible, carbohydrates should be gotten from vegetables and fruits. There should also be an increase in healthy fats and proteins in diet. Drinking enough water helps to keep levels of insulin optimum. For some ladies, taking such diets will suffice to optimize fertility and allow for conception. The diets should be continued once pregnancy is achieved. It should, however, be remembered that the biggest contribution to infertility is deficiency of fats and proteins. The body will not be able to manufacture hormones without them. Lifestyle factors also play a key role. People that smoke, take various drugs, and high intake of caffeine are major contributors of infertility. Further, there are factors such as lack of sleep, high levels of stress, too much exercise, lack of exercise, and exposure to toxins and certain medications. The regulation of adrenaline production, for instance, is made possible by having enough sleep. Conception is made difficult when adrenaline levels are uncontrolled. Finding out from the doctor whether medications one may be taking are affecting fertility is important. The people that are mostly affected are those that take antidepressants and steroids. Medications that affect production of hormones also affect conception. There is the possibility that one could be seeking fertility treatments while the problem lies with medications they are taking. Taking herbs is also an option that could work for some people. It works for men and women alike. Some of the herbs used are chasteberry, evening primrose oil, and donkey. Evening primrose oil serves to increase not only production, but also quality of cervical mucus. Donkey balances levels of estrogen and increases chances of implantation. Thus, in considering natural fertility treatment, Tempe as residents have many options. The method used depends on advice from the doctor and the condition of the patient. Some methods may work well for some people and not for others. This should be noted by people that are seeking treatment.